If you know me well, you know that I have problem with persons who show or manifest credibility issues. And when people come out on me and calling me out for credibility, for lack of credibility, you know say it worked me up bad. Yesterday morning early, Maka Diamond wrote to me asking me to promote her music video. I thought about it and I said yes. You would have known, many would have known that I spent $12 million to study. And in the peak of my career, I got sick and returned home. Despite my illness, I have to eat, I have to pay water commission. I live in a town. I live in a town. So for me, water bill and for me light bill I go higher than for you know who live in a elsewhere. I have to work. I can't tell utility company that I am sick and cannot work and cannot pay their bills. So we agreed to do the video. It was very painful to get up out of the chair and to do the video. But nonetheless, I said to Chris that we won't do the video for an extra minute, for the whole minute because of my back. So let us go through the pain for 45 seconds. And he agreed. Come on, say Chris don't like camera. Mr. Wilmot Perkins did Hotline, did his talk show program from his hospital bed. Yeah. He did the final years of his program. I don't remember what multi-program name was. Public Eye. A Public Eye? Whatever. He did it from his hospital bed. I went to the university and most of my courses that I did as a family counselor was drama, poetry, and literature. So I am good at acting, I am good at creating because I was trained to do it. And this person here, calling me out along with her friends to say, I am not sick. I am pretending to be sick. And a lot of them are saying that me a scammer, and me a this, and me a that. But you know something? I wish you a double portion of this. And for those of you who know what pinched nerve is, it is a very embarrassing sickness. You don't know when you're gonna get a pinch. I might be in this live now and just get a nasty pinch. And because of how embarrassing this pinch nerve is, I don't go out. I don't go out because it is seriously embarrassing for me when a pinch nerve attack. I wish you a double portion of this. I wish for you a double portion of this that I was blessed with. You know, I go learn so enough is shut on the mouth. There are certain things you don't know say. And there are certain people who don't know attack. You are going to learn. You are going to learn so you have some of us who honest. And some of us who don't foster credibility. So for those of you who want your videos to promote, your music to promote, your business to promote, please send me a message. Please link me up because nothing is wrong with my mouth. I was trained in the university to use my mouth. So nothing is wrong with my mouth. So come on, let's get the business going. I will promote your videos. Anything you need to be promoted, send me a message and let's go. Happy Sunday.